In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of your Squarespace website. If you need to hand your site over to a client, teammate, or new owner, Squarespace makes that process fairly straightforward. The main thing to remember is that the person you want to transfer ownership to must already be invited on the site, because you'll be choosing from existing invited users during the transfer process. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main administrative options for your website, including access controls and account level site settings. Once you're in settings, find and click permissions and ownership. This area is where you manage who can access the website and what level of control they have. It's also where the ownership transfer option is located. After that, click permissions and ownership. Again, if Squarespace opens a broader settings view first, depending on the layout you see, this second click takes you directly into the section that shows user permissions and ownership tools. Just follow the same label until you reach the correct page. Now, look for the option labeled Transfer Ownership and click it. This opens the transfer workflow. At this stage, Squarespace is preparing to let you assign the site to another eligible user. Next, click Choose. This will open the list of invited people associated with the website. If you don't see the person you want to transfer the site to, that usually means they haven't been invited yet or haven't been added in the correct way. In this process, you'll only be able to continue with someone who already appears in that list. From the available options, select the invited person you want to make the new owner. Take a moment here to confirm you're choosing the correct account, since website ownership includes major administrative control over the site. Once the right person is selected, click Continue. That moves the transfer process forward and confirms that you want to proceed with assigning sole ownership to that invited user. And that's it. Those are the steps to start transferring ownership of your Squarespace website. As a final tip, before you complete any handoff, it's always a good idea to double check that the new owner has the right access and understands they'll be taking over primary control of the site. If this walkthrough helped, you can use the same path again anytime you need to review permissions or manage site access inside Squarespace.